Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Drew Sinatra and I'm joined today with Dr. Briana Sinatra.
Hello.
And we're going to show you how to make almond milk today. The reality is a lot of people have milk intolerances. I'm one of these unfortunate ones that really doesn't digest dairy products all that well. So for me, having almond milk in the home is a really important thing.
It's smooth, creamy. Our kids love it. We use it in smoothies a lot.
All right, so we'll get started here. The first ingredient is going to be 1/2 cup soaked almonds. Traditionally, a lot of our cultures have soaked their grains and their nuts and their seeds, and you reduce the levels of phytic acid. And phytic acid can be very irritating to the gut, so you want to minimize the amount of phytic acid you consume in foods. So 1/2 cup soaked almonds. We're going to have 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 3 cups of filtered water, and a pinch of sea salt.
We want to blend it for about 2 to 3 minutes.
So now for the fun part, we're going to separate out the pulp and the milk. We're using cheesecloth here to separate out that pulp.
So we'll just pour it slowly. Let our cheesecloth grab that pulp. And then you can just gently wrap it up. Alright, so it actually gets really nice and warm and creamy. When you buy it from the store, it has stuff in there that's allowing it to be on the shelf and keep it relatively fresh until you're able to take it home and consume it.
So for us, there was only 4 ingredients that were used. We used organic almonds, a little salt, maple syrup, and the water.
So, cheers! I hope you enjoy making some of your own almond milk at home. Until next time.
Cheers.